Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So from today we will see what is web page and what is website. We will also cover types of web page available. So first of all, what is web page? A web page is a one type of document that is written using HTML. And when we want to view web page, that is display in browser. So we will write in browser address bar, we will write a URL of your web page. Here web page contain text, graphics and hyperlink. Web page also provide a picture and videos. Now next is what is website. So website is a collection of web pages under the control of particular person or a group of person. Here next is type of web page. Here two type of web page is available. First is static web page and second is dynamic web page. So first is static web page. Static web page, that means that all the data which can be shown in web page is a static. Here static, that means not changeable. We can change any of data of static web page by using only coding. Some knowledge about coding, then that user can change any information very easily. Generally, this type of web page will be created using client-side scripting language. Here, client-side scripting language, that is HTML. So, in your static web page, no database part available. Now, next is dynamic web page. Here, what is dynamic web page? Dynamic web page, that means all data which can be shown in web page is not a static, but that data come from database. Here two part is available. First is database part and second is web page part. Here when we want to display information, at that situation we will use server side scripting language. Here server side scripting language, that means PHP. When we want to change anything, at that situation that we will change in our database and that will automatically affect it to our web page by just refreshing our web page. So now we will see a difference between static and dynamic web page. So first, when we create static web page, your web page is fixed, your content is fixed, your layout is also fixed. When we create dynamic web page, your content and layout is changed during runtime. Here when we use static web page, that is use client side scripting language. Client side scripting language, that means HTML and CSS. When we create dynamic web page, at that situation it was used server side scripting language and also use client side scripting language. Here server side scripting language such as PHP, JSP, ASP.NET. When we use static web page, that do not access database. Here it is access information from a database. Here static web page is simple and easy to programming. Here dynamic web page is more complex and more difficult to a program. Here when we use static web page, it sends exactly the same response for every request. Here it may generate different HTML for each of request. So here your HTML page is dependent on your request. Here static web page is easy to develop. Here dynamic web page is required some programming skills because it use a database. So thank you everyone. I hope you have understand.